How you doing, folks? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 67 C10 Shortbox. It's had a complete custom build. Very nice truck. Got show quality copper paint. Got steel cowl hood. It's a smooth front bumper. All the bumper bolts have been shaved. All new grille trim, headlight bezels, got the halo, high def headlights. Super nice little truck. Truck's real slick, flat down the sides. But kind of bear with us, sun keeps coming and going today. Got the LED tail lights, smooth tailgate, nice roll pan. Small back window. You can see how nice it is down the sides. Got beautiful paint on it. All the engine bays all been custom done, nicely detailed. Got a 350 trans, got your power steering, it's got front disc brakes. So all the jams are all really nice. It's got a leather interior. They covered the door panels in leather, dash. Two-tone. Nice set of buckets. Reclining with lumbar. Got a nice custom gauge setup in it. See, all the jams, everything are really nice on the truck. All inside the bed's real nice, clean. They did the rear mount fuel tank with a nice little custom fuel door here. Flush, real nice. The sun finally come back out. It's just a cool truck. Got a nice stereo system in it. A little center console with the shifter and the cup holders. Got your front seat belts. Custom carpet in it and floor mats. Just a cool truck. Fires right up. Got the halo headlights, pretty cool. So it's got duals all the way off the back. Good sounding truck. LED taillights are all pretty cool in the truck. Good sounding truck. You can get in this thing, just cruise it, enjoy it. Have a great day, folks. And you can visit us 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can go to rosscustomsmi.com for a complete inventory. Have a great day, folks.